Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in finding the deepest right leaf node in a binary tree. First, let us take an example. In this tree, the deepest right leaf node is the node with value 10. Now, let us see the algorithm. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node, which is 1, to function getDeepestRightLeafNode. So root will point to 1. We will be using a queue data structure. We push the root node, which is 1, into the queue and take a result variable which points to null. As the queue is not null, we enter the while loop. Now temp will point to the front element of the queue, which is 1. Next, we pop 1 from the queue. Now we check if 1 has a left child. As it is true, we enqueue 2, which is the left child of 1, into the queue. Now we check if temp has a right child. As 1's right child is 3, we push 3 into the queue. Now we check if temp's right left and temp's right is null. 1's right left is null, but 1's right is not null. So the if condition is not satisfied and result remains null. We continue with the while loop as the queue is not empty. Now temp will point to 2 and 2 will be dequeued. As 2's left is null, nothing is enqueued. Now we check if 2 has a right child. Since it is false, we omit the if statement and continue with the while loop. Now temp will point to 3 and 3 will be dequeued. As 3's left is null, nothing is enqueued. Now as 3's right is not null, we push 3's right child, which is 10. Next, as 3's right left is null and 3's right is null as well, we set result equal to 3's right, which is 10. So result will point to 10. Again, as queue is not empty, temp points to 10 and 10 will be dequeued. Since 10's left and right are both null, nothing is enqueued. And now as queue is empty, we break out of the while loop and return 10, which is the deepest right leaf node in this binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.